Hi there! In this video I'm going to show you how to make these adorable embroidered eyes. I got this idea from Mandy at SunnydayHandicrafts. She gave me permission to make and share this video. I will link her socials down in the description, so go check out her work. Thank you, Mandy! For this project you'll need 2 to 3 colors of yarn, a needle, possibly a needle threader, scissors, and possibly a pin to mark where you want your eyes. So the first thing I do is read in my pattern and figure out where they would like the safety eyes to go, and I put a pin in that spot. After I have the place marked, I'm going to start with black by threading my needle. Then I'm going to enter the stuffed animal somewhere on the side or the back side, and I'm going to make the eye 2 rounds high for this one. If your animal is bigger, you might do 3 or 4 rounds. So I'll come out above that marker, and then I'm going to enter below that marker and center it where that marker is, just like a safety eye would be centered on that spot. I'm going to enter here, and then I'm going to exit the same stitch that we came out of. And I'm going to do this several times depending on your animal. You might only want 2 or 3. On this one I'm going to do 4. There's 2. There's 3. And for this 4th one, I'm going to insert at the bottom of the eye and come out the same place where I entered, so we can hide those ends later. So that's the black. So after the black, you can add an optional color. You'll do the same thing by entering on the side of the animal, coming out the top in that same stitch with all the black, and then you can do 1 or 2 lines along the side and come out the same spot, like that. So I don't want to color on this one, and I took the green out, so I'm ready to add the white on the side and then the little eye shine. I'm going to enter the side of the animal just like the black, or the color if you've chosen to add a color. Come out the same spot for the eye, and then enter in the bottom, coming out the top again, and then putting that white over to the side. To make the eye shine, we're just going to go down 1 row between the fibers, and then we'll exit where we entered, and just pull those snug until you're happy with how it looks. Now we're ready to hide our ends, so we can just tie a small knot in these and then sew them into the body. So you just pull it until that knot pops in. And then I like to go back again, just to be extra secure, following a different path. I'm having trouble with the double strands. There we go. Now I can cut that, and the end will just pop right back in there. So we'll do that with all of the strands. Once you get all your ends hidden, there might be some dips and stuff. So you just kind of reshape it, give it some squeezes to loosen up those ends inside, and it's good to go. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Remember to go check out Sunny Day Handicrafts, and if you're new to making amigurumi, go check out my little bat pattern.